Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Laravel library management system using Claude Code AI. So I'm going to show you all the process step by step. This is the project output you can see here. So we can do pretty much everything here. You can see ordered book also, and then we can here you can see our students, borrow books, okay, publishers, authors, categories, books, everything. Now let's say I want to add a new book. I can add new book here, you can see. All right, now I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of project. So for this we are going to now go with at first the AI we are going to use here is Claude Code AI. So we can use Claude Code AI in multiple ways. First of all, we can use Claude Code AI desktop version. What you have to do, you just have to go for the browser and go for Claude AI, and you have to go there. You can download this and you can create the account, okay, Claude account. So I already have my account, so you can actually go with the desktop app. Just select this and then it will download. You just have to install it, and then you just have to give the prompt, and then it will generate the code for you. But now I will show you the best process, and that is with extension. But before that, I want to show you how you can actually use your command line interface. So go for the terminal, and if you're from Windows, go for the command prompt, okay, press Windows key and then type cmd. Then you can go to the command prompt, and then you can say here npm install -g, then at anthropic -ai/claude -code. So if you run this, then it will install Claude Code CLI on your PC. If you're from macOS, you just have to add here one more thing, and that is sudo at the very beginning, okay, sudo. Now you can see we have npm. So to run this through npm package installer, you have to have Node.js in your PC. Go for the browser and go for the Node.js. So nodejs.org, click here nodejs.org. Now you can select download section, then select any version, go with the long-term support version, then download it, okay. If you are from Windows, there will be automatically Windows selected, and you just have to download .msi, and you have to install this. That's it. And then you can run this command in the terminal to get Claude Code CLI, okay, command line interface. Now I will show you how you can go with extension. So we are going to use here in this video anti-gravity and Claude extension. So for this we have to download at first anti-gravity. Now in your case you can actually use VS Code also, but I will suggest you to go with anti-gravity, okay. You can see Google anti-gravity, go there, click here download, then you will find here different operating system, download the latest version. So for the macOS I will go with this one. For the Windows you should go with download for x64, and I'm assuming that you can install it. Very simple, download this and install it. Now I just have to go for the project, and here you can see anti-gravity. I'm going to open it. I already have my project here. In your case there will be a blank page. You just have to go for the extension here, then go for Claude Code for VS Code, install it. That's it. Now we are going to create a folder, but before that, as it is a Laravel project, we need a server for this. So we are going to actually download here XAMPP, because XAMPP will provide us two servers. One is for the database, another one is for the PHP server, and I mean Laravel server, okay. So go for the XAMPP. Here you can see Apache friends.org, go there, click here download. You can see we have 3 different operating system. This is the latest version. You can click here according to your operating system, then it will be installed, downloaded, and then you just have to install it. Then if you install it in your PC, let's say you are from Windows, then there will be C drive, D drive, or any other drive. You can actually install anywhere, but you will find a folder called XAMPP. Basically you have to go inside the folder XAMPP, then go inside the htdocs folder. Here you can see, and here we are going to create new folder, and the folder will work as a project. And what you have to do, you have to actually go for the anti-gravity once again, and then here you will not find this because I have already created a project here. that's why it's look like this. In your case it will be like this. Okay, open folder, here you can see. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to actually go back to the finder, and from here you can drag and drop it here. Now we are in a specific project, and here we are going to now go for the Claude Code chat option. Here you can see chat option, because we have installed Claude Code for VS Code. That's why we are getting here chat option. Now if you click here new session, then there will be a chat option, you can see, and here we just have to give the prompt. For the prompt, we are going to go to the browser, and we're going to go to the chatgpt.com. From here I have given here all the information about my project. You can see for the front end I'm going to use HTML, CSS, JS and Bootstrap. Then MySQL for the database, and for backend I'm going to use Laravel 12. In your case you can use Django also. Then server will be our PC localhost server, so we are going to use here XAMPP, and I have mentioned it. Then color combination I have mentioned. So these are basics. You can give here more information if you want a more professional site. And then I have mentioned here that, remember, I'm not a coder. What I want is Claude will complete the whole project for me. Basically I have mentioned all the things, and it gives me a prompt, you can see. And now I'm going to copy this prompt, and make sure you have open your XAMPP control panel. So in your case, if you're from Windows, you have to press Windows button from your keyboard, then type XAMPP control panel, then you will get XAMPP control panel. But in macOS you have to run this manager-osx, and then you just have to give the password. Okay, then you will get here this XAMPP control panel like this, and here you have to run this Apache and MySQL both server. So click here start, then it will be start. Okay, and within few seconds it will be running. So we need to run these both server, Apache and MySQL. That's all. And now we have to go back to the anti-gravity. Okay, and here we just have to paste it, and now you can hit enter, then it will generate the whole project for us. So I already created a project, let me show you. And I'm going to remove this current project. I'm going to add my specific project. Let's go inside htdocs, and this is my project I have created. And if I go here in the Claude, you can see this is the session, current session. So it created the whole project for me, you can see. And now I just have to go there. Okay, so let's copy this. Let's go back to the browser. Let's remove all unnecessary tab. Okay, here this is our project, so I'm going to actually open a new tab and paste it once again. Hit enter. Here you can see we have a nice professional site, right? That's it, guys. I hope you understand. This is how actually you can create a fully functional website. I hope you understand. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.